What's up, y'all? So today I wanted to take you along my fried rice journey on my Blackstone. I've got some white rice down there with some peas and carrots, some bacon, Spam, a little bit of butter and oil, and as you can see, sprinkling the soy sauce on, and we got 2 eggs down to mix in with it, along with some onion and bell pepper. So it was really fun to do on the Blackstone. This 28-inch Pro Series is really meant for dishes like this. You can cook up a lot of food really quick for your family. It makes really tasty dishes for sure. But it's not really me that matters how it tastes. It's more my wife. And so here I am getting it all in the bowl, getting ready to give it to her. As you can see, there's the finished product right there. Really simple dish. And then we have a taste tester. And looks like she loves it. Thanks for watching, guys. Really appreciate it. Bye.